Hey guys, welcome to second part of the StoryApp development tutorial with Kotlin. So in the last video, we stopped here by creating this simple menu here. Now what I want to do is I want to create this section-wise menu. So let me close this browser. And this section-wise menu contains the section for StoryApp and section for more options. Okay, so we'll go ahead and design that. So in the navigation menu here, I'm going to go to the code section here, and here what I want to do is I want to add one item. Okay, so this item contains the title, and this title defines the section title. Okay, so this story app title is given here in this item, so I'm gonna give story app. Okay, and now inside this item I want to add one more menu, and inside this we'll add the items, and that item is going to contain ID. Okay, for the random story, so random, and it's going to contain the title as well, so story. Okay, I'm gonna copy and paste this couple of times, but if you notice, we also have this home option, right? So I want to paste it here. I want to add the home option. Okay, now this home is in entirely separate section, and this story app is entirely different section. So if I go to split here, you can see this home is separate menu, and this story app contains this arrow here. That means it contains the nested items. So we'll copy and paste this a couple of more times. So this is for stories, and this is for the, let me see, categories. Okay, and we have another section for more. So what we'll do, we'll just copy and paste the same item here, and we'll add more, and instead of giving this random and same stuff, we'll add contact us and rate us. So contact us. Okay, so this is our app with the menu. So now if I go to activity menu here and add the app menu, I can include the nav menu, and you can see here we have these contact us, rate us, stories, and so on, exactly as we have in our final application. Okay, so here we need to do few more things. Here you can notice it is covering whole activity main, so I don't want that. I want this menu to be hidden at the left side, so that when we click on hamburger sign, it's going to reveal itself from the left to our activity here. So to do that, we can set the layout gravity. So Android layout gravity, and I'm gonna make it as start. Okay, now it's going to hide that. And finally I'll give ID navigation view, and I'll close this. Okay, so this is our navigation view, and we also need to give the icons for our navigation menu, but we'll do that later in the video. Okay, so I'll just show you guys how to do that, and you can do it yourself anyway. So to create the menu, to create the icons, you can go to drawable, click on new, go to vector asset, and from here you can select the search for the appropriate item or icons, and click on that, click on OK, click on next, click on finish, and now you have the icon created that you can see here, baseline home. And to set the icon, you can go to the menu here, let's go to design, and now I want to set for this home, right? So what I'll do is I'll click on icon here and select the home icon. Now we have icons for this home. Okay, and to confirm that, if I remove this just to check, you can see we have these icons. Okay, now you can go ahead and add the icons by yourself. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and implement this navigation drawer in our activity main, so that when we run this application, we'll be able to use that particular navigation drawer. So first thing first, we'll add the toolbar So set support action bar, and we'll add the toolbar. And now you can see we can directly reference the toolbar because we have added the Kotlin extension in our Gradle file, if you remember in the first part. So that is the advantage of using the Kotlin extension. If you were using Java, you had to first create the toolbar variable and use the find by ID and so on, and only you can set the support action bar here. But in the Kotlin, with the help of Kotlin extension, we don't need to do that. Okay. So now let's create the required variable for our navigation drawer to work. So we need toggle. Okay, toggle toggle, and this is for the action bar toggle. So action bar drawer toggle, and this is going to take few parameters. So we'll pass the context, we'll pass the drawer layout directly from our resources, we'll pass the toolbar, and now we need to pass the string for the open and close. Okay, so r.string.open, r.string.close, and we have not created this, so we need to go to the string file here and create that. So let me copy and paste this couple of times, and this is for opening of the drawer. This is for the closing of the drawer, so close. Okay, now this error is fixed. So now what we'll do, we'll enable the hamburger sign. So to toggle dot is drawer indicator enable, we'll set the true, and now we'll set the drawer listener. Now we'll set this toggle to our drawer. So drawer layout dot add drawer listener, and here we can pass the toggle variable, and toggle dot sync state is the final step that we need to make this navigation drawer working. So let me go here and close this application and run this in our emulator, and once the application is running, we will go ahead and see if this code is working properly or not. Okay, the app is added, and so our app is stopped. That is because, let me show you, we already have the action bar supplied, so we need to create one no action bar theme. So I'm gonna go here, copy this style in our themes.xml file, and here I'm gonna add no action bar, okay, and this is because by default the our Android application themes supply the toolbar, but here if you remember we are trying to use our own custom toolbar, so that's why we need to add the no action bar theme. So that's why we have created this extra theme. So I'm going to copy this, go to the main activity manifest file here, android manifest.xml, and here I'm going to add this theme, apply this theme explicitly. So style / I'm going to paste the theme name, and now if I run this application, we should be able to run properly. Okay, you can see we have this hamburger sign, and now if I click on that, we have this navigation drawer. Okay guys, so that's how we implement the navigation drawer. Now in the next video we'll fix some bug here, like this black color in this title, and we'll also implement the on-click listener on this menu items here, so that we'll be able to display the required data here when the menu is clicked, and so on. So I'll see you in the next part.